Welcome back to Mumford Restoration, and we're showing you some of the items that come into the shop. Please go to our site, mumfordrestoration.com, or to our YouTube channel. We want to show you this R.S. Howard. This is a 1906 upright piano, and actually is sitting on a piano dolly at the moment, so it looks a little higher than normal. And we're going to do a total restoration of this upright. This is also the story, you know, the sentimental value, the legend, the story that it comes with from the whole family. This is the third generation. This is a serial number of 19213, which is 1906. So it's really been in the family a long time, 116 years. So what we're looking at then is we're going to be completely restoring the piano, repairing the veneer. You see we got major veneer problems on the sides. We're going to be refinishing the whole piano. We're going to be polishing the ivories. We're going to total restringing, total new hammers, action rebuilding, all new bridle straps, all new damper felts. And then we're going to be cleaning and restoring the soundboard. So this is a major project. So we wanted to show you before we got started. Right over here is one of the bottom boards, and here's the top board. So keep an idea of this one coming along as the months go by. We're obviously going to be changing this decal because this was probably put on in the 70s when somebody refinished it. So look for this piece to come to its fullness. I think the family will be utterly thrilled. They just decided today that let's go for it. Thanks for watching.